Hello, my name is Jerry Harris. I'm with OSI Technology, and I'm a operations and pre-sales engineer. We're a Verkada video surveillance and access control partner. We were working with one of our clients. It was a condominium association. They had an access gate there that was over 20 years old, and they wanted to tie in the Verkada solution in with their access gate. So in order to do so, we're going to install a new access control and gate system. There were no conduit or trenches dug already to run the cabling. Therefore, it would have been quite costly to run cable to the gate, and SureFi had a great solution for wireless. We were able to take the SureFi product and connect it to the access control in the control closet, and then on the gate side, and operate the gate, opening and closing it without running cables. It saved a tremendous amount of money. It was very easy to connect to the system and make it operational. On top of that, a great customer service. Everything worked out great. It was a successful install, and we will use that product, SureFi product, again. Matter of fact, we already have it quoted on other major solutions.
Win the bid with SureFi. For technical and install support, call us at 844-787-3340.